The iPhone SE is nearing its second birthday, and we've previously heard rumblings of the company making a follow-up more affordable phone to go alongside the iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus and iPhone X range. But now reliable analyst Ming-Chi Kuo from KGI Securities has claimed the company may not have the capacity to make a new version of the iPhone SE. In a research note published by Macrumors, Kuo claims the company doesn't have enough spare development resources to launch a new iPhone SE this year, as the company is already working on 3 other models. Kuo believes those other models are set to be an iPhone X2, an iPhone X Plus and a lower-priced 6.1-inch iPhone with Face ID included. Sorry, iPhone SE fans. Kuo said, with 3 new models in the pipeline for the second half of 2018, we believe Apple may have used up its development resources. We think the firm will do all it can to avoid repeating the mistake of a shipment delay, like on the iPhone X, for the 3 new models. As such, we believe Apple is unlikely to have enough spare resources to develop a new iPhone model for launch in 2Q18. Kuo doesn't rule out the release of an iPhone SE2 entirely though. He believes that if Apple is ready to release an updated version of its more affordable phone, there will just be slight changes like a faster processor, rather than a complete design overhaul with a glass-back design and wireless charging packed in. Take all of this with a pinch of salt, as we have seen analysts be wrong about this kind of thing in the past. We've also seen a contradictory report that there will be 4 iPhones released in 2018, so we'll have to wait a bit longer for a clear picture of Apple's plans this year.